What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And if you were wondering about the Galaxy S22 Ultra all new design, whether it will be a P shape or an 11 design, then you might have got it wrong. And not only that, with that the processor of the Galaxy all new S22 series is partnering with the AMD 2. So if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So there is no denying in that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the very next smartphone which most of us are waiting for a very long time now, because we were missing the Galaxy Note series for the 2021 lineup. But the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra is here with that, and not only that, it will also be different because it will be coming with an AMD GPU with ray tracing. And not only that, there are also certain reports that Oppo might also be working for its own custom processor too. Now talking about the design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, then this time it won't be having a P shape or an 11 shape design. And we have the real life leak that shows the backplate of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, basically confirming that Samsung has indeed chosen to carve up the individual hole for each lens. And this design looks very much similar towards the closed company, which is the LG Velvet, and this design matches with that too. Now going with that, it means that there will be no backlash for the P-shaped design if we got, and now this design welcomes a new look for the people who were interested in that. Now the subtle look looks great on that, but not only that, it will also be having three new major colors with this design, which are the red, white and my personal favorite, black color. Now talking about that, there will also be afterwards a new color will be coming of this smartphone, which will be a green one, and that looks beautiful too. Now there were also notations about the battery capacity of this, and Ice Universe has confirmed that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will support indeed a higher fast charging support of 45 watts, and it will be having a 5000 milliamp battery which can do 0 to 70% in just 35 minutes. But note that there won't be a charger included in the box, so what's the purpose of that? You only have to purchase the chargers externally too. Now what do you think about this Galaxy S22 series? And also the pricing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is also being imparted with the Note series pricing, and it will be priced at $1,300. Now what do you think about the overall Galaxy S22 Ultra, its design, its looks, and not only that, the pricing of the phone with the color options available? Let us know your favorite color option of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in the community poll in the description, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.